Welcome to one and all. We are starting with a new chapter from CS2 12th standard, and the chapter is Introduction to Intel x86 family. Okay, after the study of processor 8085, we are having the new processor, that is 8086. Okay, and this will give you 7 to 8 marks in your board exam. For this 7 to 8 marks, you have to just study 4 to 5 topics. Okay, so this is very easy to get 7 to 8 marks from 4 to 5 topics. In this chapter, we will learn 8086 processor and its series. Series means improved version of 8086. Okay, and in this chapter, we will learn programming model, basic features of 8086 and the series of 8086. Okay, so let's start. Intel x86. It is 16-bit processor. I hope we are all knowing that first microprocessor was 4-bit from first generation, and second generation was 8-bit. Okay, and the third generation, that is 16-bit microprocessor, it belongs to third generation. Okay. In 1978, Intel introduced the microprocessor 8088 and 8086. Okay, both are very much similar to each other. So ये दोनों Intel ने introduced किया था. Then Intel started with the family of 8086, means improved version of 8086. वो क्या था? That is 80286, 80386 and 80486. Means 8086 से ज़्यादा फीचर्स कहाँ पे थे? 286 में, देन उससे भी ज़्यादा 386 में, देन सबसे ज़्यादा एडवांस फीचर कहाँ पे थे? 80486. ओके, नाउ ये कौन सी जनरेशन में आता है? सो दिस कम्स अंडर फोर्थ जनरेशन. ओके, ये जो एडवांस वर्जन है ये कहाँ पे आते हैं? फोर्थ जनरेशन. नाउ after this development of powerful chips by Intel, Intel continued with the Pentium 1, 2, 3 and its series. Okay, so this is your fifth generation. After this fourth generation, ये Pentium series जो Intel ने create किया था, ये था fifth generation से. Okay, so this was all the basic information about Intel x86. Now features of 16-bit microprocessor. So let's start with the features. Intel 8086 and 8088 and 80186, 286, Zilog Z8001 and 8002. These are your 16-bit microprocessor, means it belongs to third generation. Okay. 16-bit microprocessor have powerful instruction set. Okay, जैसा instruction set हमने 8085 microprocessor के लिए पढ़ा था, same way we are having for these microprocessors. Okay, 16-bit microprocessor with increased memory addressing capacity, जहाँ पे आपका memory capacity भी ज़्यादा होगा, and 16-bit microprocessor with increased execution speed. तो जैसे जैसे प्रोसेसर enhance हो रहा है और grow हो रहा है, means उसका speed भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Okay, तो execution speed according to the generation and processor is increasing. Now provides a powerful instruction set. Yes, we are having powerful instruction set according to the generation of microprocessor, facilitating programming in high level language. Okay, so programming will be according to the generation, it is changing. Function in multi-processor environment. So these processors can function with multi-processor also. ठीक है, जहाँ पे number of processors होंगे ये वहाँ पे भी ये functional है. ठीक है. So these are the 16-bit microprocessor features. तो it may come in exam for 3 to 4 marks. अगर 6 features हैं तो it will be for 3 marks and 8 features होंगे तो 4 marks. Okay, basically it can come for 3 mark only. Now the next one. Features of 8086 or 8088. Okay, मीन्स अगर कोई भी फीचर आता है, इट मे बी फॉर 8086 और 8088, मोस्टली इट कम्स फॉर 8086, सो इट कैन कम फॉर 3 to 4 मार्क्स, और ये पहले भी पूछा हुआ है बोर्ड में, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विच यू नो अबाउट 8086, ठीक है. So first of all, it is 16-bit microprocessor. We all are knowing. It belongs to third generation. ठीक है, थर्ड जनरेशन से बिलोंग करता है. 8086 और 8088 have 40 pin in DIP package, means dual in line. You can see कि ये जब चिप बनता है इसका, या आपने फोटो देखा होगा उसके, तो यहाँ पे डुअल है, मीन्स दोनों साइड है. ओके, डुअल इन लाइन पैकेज. Okay, capacity of addressing 1 MB of memory, its address bus is 20 bit. Okay, so I hope we all are knowing that for 8085 it was 16 bit address bus, so we calculated 2 raised to 16, जो हमें कितना दिया था, 64 KB. Okay, same here, address bus is 20 bit, so just you have to put this 20 in the power of 2, and while calculating you will get this near about 1 MB. Okay, means 2 into 2 into 2, such kind of thing you have to do for 20 times. Okay, like 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, ये आपको कंटिन्यू करना है till 20 times. Okay, so the near about value you will get it as 1 MB. Clear? Clock frequency from 5 megahertz to 10 megahertz. ठीक है, so according to the generation this frequency is increasing. Okay, 8-bit external data bus, so we are having 8-bit external data bus, that's why it is 16-bit. Okay, operates in 2 mode, minimum mode and maximum mode. So 8085 जो हमने प्रोसेसर पढ़ा था वहाँ पे सिंगल मोड था, but here we are having 2 modes, minimum mode and maximum mode. Okay, I'll show you in the structure of 8086. 8088 and 8086 are identical in internal architecture, only differs in external design. Okay, so just keep in mind कि internally both are same but externally उसका जो डिज़ाइन है वो चेंज है. ठीक है, पावर एंड क्लॉक आर आइडेंटिकल टू दैट ऑफ 8085 माइक्रोप्रोसेसर. तो 8085 माइक्रोप्रोसेसर का पावर और क्लॉक सप्लाई जैसा था, सब वैसा ही है यहाँ पे भी 8086 में भी. डेटा बस एंड स्टेटस सिग्नल आर मल्टीप्लेक्स्ड विद द एड्रेस बस. मल्टीप्लेक्स्ड मीन्स एक ही लाइन में अगर 2 पिन्स काम कर रही हैं, मोर देन 2, सो दिस इज नोन एज मल्टीप्लेक्स्ड. ओके, 16 data lines, that is AD0 to AD15 are multiplexed. ठीक है, multiplexed means यहाँ पे data bus भी है और A for address bus भी है. ठीक है, so इसका मीनिंग क्या है, एक ही लाइन में 2 काम हो रहे हैं, so this is known as multiplexed. So I will show you the 40 pin structure. See here. Sorry, this is 8086. Okay, so you can see here it is 40 pin. Okay, this is maximum mode. Maximum mode में you can see that pin number 31, 24 to 31 ये change है, and in minimum mode यहाँ पे वो pins में change हो रहा है. ठीक है, and you can see here AD0 to AD15. Okay, AD15, these are known as multiplexed pin, means A और D दोनों हैं यहाँ पे, and these are also. ठीक है, so these are known as multiplexed pin. जब एक ही पिन पे मल्टीपल वर्क हो रहे हैं, so this is known as multiplexed pin, and it is depend on the flip flop, that is 0 or 1. ठीक है, so this is your 8086 microprocessor 40 pin structure. just मैंने यहाँ पे बस आपको दिखाया है ये. okay, it is not for your exam, so don't worry about this. just मैंने यहाँ पे वो multiplexed pin और ये 40 pin structure है, और एड्रेस बस में ये 20 बिट क्यों है, so you can see here AD 0 to AD 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so 0 से लेके यहाँ तक means total we are having 20 pins. ठीक है, so that's why it is 2 raised to 20. तो मैंने वो सब समझाने के लिए मैंने आपको ये स्ट्रक्चर बताया है. Clear? But it is not for your exam, so don't worry, just do this features of 8086. Okay, now the next one, difference between 8085 and 8086. So what is the difference? I hope कि आपने फर्स्ट और सेकेंड चैप्टर ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिया है. The chapter belongs to 8085 microprocessor, so you can see the changes. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write one more point, that 8085 belongs to second generation microprocessor and 8086 belongs to third generation. Okay, this one more point you can give here. So it is 8-bit processor. Yes, it is 8-bit processor, and microprocessor 8086 is 16-bit. Now the next thing is address bus is 16-bit and here address bus is 20-bit. जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया, that is AD0 to A15 and next is A16 to A19. Okay, फिर यहाँ पे एड्रेस बस 16-बिट है. सो व्हाट वी डिड, 2 raised to 16, जिससे हमें क्या मिला, वी कैन एक्सेस मेमोरी ऑफ 64 KB. ओके, हियर वी आर हैविंग एड्रेस बस एज 20-bit, सो 2 raised to 20. ये सॉल्व करने पे हमें क्या मिलेगा, विल गेट 1 MB मेमोरी एक्सेस. ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर थर्ड पॉइंट. Now it provides 8-bit registers, that is A B C D E H L. We all are knowing, हमने ये सॉल्व किया है, that is A is for 8-bit, B is for 8-bit. Okay, so ये 8-bit है. Okay, and here in this it provides 16-bit. Okay, कैसे, AX BX means what, I'll just show you here. See here. In 8085 we are having that only A. Okay, only B. Here we are having A high and A low. Low means 0 to 7-bit and A high is next 0 to 7-bit. Okay, so it is totally 16-bit. 0 to 7 is 8-bit and next 0 to 7 is 8-bit. So AX means what? It is divided into accumulator high and accumulator low. So this is 16-bit. It consists of 16-bit. ठीक है, इसलिए यहाँ पे ये point mention किया हुआ है. Next one point is 8 bits of address bus, that is AD0 to AD7 are multiplex. तो 8085 का 40 पिन स्ट्रक्चर में हमने देखा है कि 16 बिट में से 8 बिट क्या है, मल्टीप्लेक्स है. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे आउट ऑफ 20 16 बिट्स आर मल्टीप्लेक्स, दैट इज AD0 टू AD15. ठीक है, सो ये सब चेंजेस है जो बस आपको ये एक ध्यान में करना है पूरा पॉइंट वाइज, जिससे कभी भी सिर्फ अगर माइक्रो प्रोसेसर 8085 के फीचर्स बोले तो आप ये पॉइंट भी लिख सकते हो, बस इतना. और अगर माइक्रो प्रोसेसर 8086 के फीचर्स पूछे तो आप ये 6 to 7 पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हो, विच विल गिव यू 3 to 4 मार्क्स. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट वन, फ्लैग रजिस्टर इज 8-bit and contains 5 flag. We already know that is out of 8-bit only 5 are working. Okay, sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag and carry flag. Okay, in this microprocessor 8086 flag register is 16-bit and contains 9 flags as working. So we'll see here. यहाँ पे जो ये फ्लैग रहता है ये 16-bit का है. ओके, इन 8085 इट वाज 8-bit. सो ये 16-bit में कितने वर्किंग फ्लैग है, यू कैन काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, rest of the 6 are null flag. Okay, so here it will be, sorry, null flag means we are not having any value. ठीक है, only 9 flags are working. So next point is operated only in one mode. Okay, जो 40 पिन स्ट्रक्चर हमने पढ़ा है और जो वर्किंग पड़ा है वो सिर्फ वन मोड के लिए ही है, बट हियर इट इज ऑपरेटेड इन टू मोड, दैट इज मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम. इफ यू वांट टू सी इट यू कैन सी इट हियर. मैक्सिमम मोड की पिंस कहाँ से कहाँ तक चेंज है, 24 to 31, एंड मिनिमम मोड में वही पिंस चेंज हुई है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज नोन एज मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम मोड, दैट इज टू मोड्स आर देयर. ठीक है, so these are the difference between 8085 and 8086 which will give you 3 to 4 marks easily. okay, separate features पूछा तो और दोनों में difference पूछा तो भी you can write it. okay, so please do this for your 3 to 4 marks in board, and this is just to show you the flags and this AX, that is AX equal to AH plus A. okay, this is not at present required for your board. I'll show you the programming model of 8086 in our next class. okay, so in our next class we will learn programming model of 8086 and flags of 8086. okay, that is 9 flags out of 16. clear? so please go through these features and properties. So in our next class we will do easily these two topics. okay, and in this chapter we hardly have 4 to 5 topics to learn, so please prepare this topic for your 7 to 8 marks in board. okay, thank you class.